the trailers here on these little tiny roads. I'm surprised you don't hit the signs up there. The CVS pharmacy, hopefully nobody is on drugs or taking prescriptions, because it just leads to more prescriptions. So yeah, I'm looking into a dash cam. I want to get something that's a little bit decent, just to have. Show you a little bit of what's going on around here. It's all good. It's all good. Nice Jeep right there. This is the military area.
That's where they have the circus.
And they also have the circus inside of there, which is really weird. Okay. Trying to show you guys the river down there. A lot of nice flowers here. It's like a nice greenhouse. Where's that? Oh, behind that tree up there or something. I don't live around here. Here, guys, right there is a little plaque inside. It says 1772. If I could get out, but try to get a good shot of that right there. And that's what I'm saying, guys, about the roads. They're tearing them up every year.
No, they're gonna pave these. That's why they're like that.
They're gonna pave again. They tear them up, they pave. They're always doing this stuff here to slow people down. It's all rigged. I saw a quad up there. Watch this car fall. Hey guys, it's the moment of truth. Is this the right one? I just don't know. Take a look at the old one that's damaged here. And so far it looks good, guys. So far it looks really good. Seems to be matching up on this. I have this piece. This piece wasn't here. I should have took one off another car in case they ever need it, but you know, what are you gonna do? The guy charged me $10 for that, you know? I mean, how much does this weigh in aluminum? It's like, what, 40 cents? Not even. The guy charged me $10. It's crazy. I'll probably get it online cheaper, I don't know. But it is what it is, right? I got it. My arm was cracked. You can see the crack now really good. On the camera, you can't see it. But let me turn it over. We'll check the other side. This is part of the crack. It looks like an indentation. That's a crack, guys. That's not a indentation mark or anything. That's definitely, that's a crack right there. Now let me turn the other one. No indentation. This one's really, really dirty. I gotta clean this up. Yep, same thing. This, what I'm concerned about is this part here. It's got a nice edge on it. It comes over. And it's really hard. Yeah, that's got an edge on it as well. It's hard to see, but it's got an edge. So hey, job well done. Cost me $10 for this part here. This is the old one. Gasket was like $3-4, so rounded up the gas in the car and everything. Rounded up to a total of $15, guys, invested just to get this. This gasket looks almost identical. Yep. Okay, we are definitely good to go, guys. And I sure appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully you guys subscribe. It was an awesome day. It's hot, guys. I got triple digits out here, 100 degrees. And I'm just able to get to the junkyard, get what I needed, and get the gasket. Put some fuel back in the vehicle. I gotta take this piece out and put it on there. Then this will go into my scrap pile. So all my parts go back into the scrap, as well as the old thermostat. Wait, that's the good thermostat. Let me put that back over here. That's the old one. It's all the junk on it right there. So, hey, cool. We did it, guys. Had a good day. Thanks for watching. This will be another video, another day where I put this together. Just the old water pump, which is going into my scrap pile, as well as that part. So there's a couple parts going in the scrap pile. And thanks for watching.
Beam me aboard. Energize. Energizing.